Hunnies, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a video on request. This video was requested by Kira Taiwo. Shout out to you, Kira Taiwo. So today this video I'm going to be talking about how to make the Chebe grease mix. If you haven't seen my full and detailed video about Chebe powder, you can always check it out here. And also don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button to be notified when I post the video. So now let's get straight into how to make the Chebe grease mix.
Every little thing you think you know, I'm here to tell you it should go. I'm trying to help you understand. If you would just take my hand and I'll teach you who I am. Must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name.
So Hunnies, I'm going to be using shea butter as my grease. You can use any hair cream or any hair grease you have around. I'm also going to be using the Chebe powder, and for my oils I'm going to be using jojoba oil, Jamaican black castor oil, coconut oil, and palm kernel oil. So basically you can use any oil of your choice, anything you want to use, any oil you want to use. Just have the basic ingredients, that is your cream, Chebe powder, and your oils. So now let's get straight into making the Chebe grease. So basically I'm just going to put 2 tablespoons of the shea butter into a container. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of each of the oils, and I'm going to mix to get my desired consistency. I'm looking for a very thin and light consistency, nothing too heavy, nothing too thick. Just watch and see how I get the desired consistency.
Let's take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world.
So Hunnies, you can see that the consistency is quite thick, and this is not what we're going for. We're going for a liquid consistency. So I'm going to add more oils to make it thinner and much more juicy. So let's watch and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to come back when I've gotten the desired consistency.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
Hunnies, I've gotten what I'm looking for. I've gotten the thin and liquidy consistency of the Chebe grease mix, and you can see it looks so juicy and really nice. So now I'm gonna be adding the Chebe powder to the grease mix, just a little bit, not so much. After adding the Chebe powder, I'm just gonna mix and mix and mix. Then voila, my Chebe grease mix is ready. So Hunnies, I'm basically done making the Chebe grease mix. If you want to know how to apply the Chebe grease mix on your hair, you can always check out my video on that. I made a video on the Chebe powder review. Also, if you haven't subscribed, honey, what haven't you? Please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell button so you will know when I post the video. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and like this video, and have a very splendid week ahead. Bye.
Let's never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping